How to make a vertical video into a horizontal video. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can easily change a vertical video into a horizontal or landscape video in your CapCut mobile. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So to make your vertical video to landscape or horizontal video in CapCut, first of all you have to open your project of the video. And here you can see we have vertical video in the CapCut and we want to make this video to horizontal or landscape video. So for this I have to just scroll to the right, and here you can see aspect ratio, click on it, and from here you can see different aspect ratios, and you have to select YouTube ratio 16:9 and click on it. And from here you can see that we have successfully changed our vertical video to landscape or horizontal video in CapCut. So guys, in this way you can easily convert your vertical video into the landscape or horizontal video in CapCut. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.